With code number 344 reverse string. This is an easy question. Let's get into it. Write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as array of character chars. Do not allocate extra space. That means we need to implement with constant space. For another array, you must do this by modifying the input array in place with one extra memory. You may assume all the characters consist of printable ASCII2 characters. Let's check with example 1. Today I'm gonna use two-pointer tankering. Left is the start, the left pointer is 0, and the right pointer is the end of index. And then I will swap the left and right the point index, and then next increase and then decrease right, and then this also swap, and then when they meet the middle I will return. Then finally O is come to here, and then H is come to here, and then L is come to here, and E also come to here, and then L is does not change it because that is middle. So finally the character will be reversed. Let's check with let's implement the code. So I will use two pointer. Left is initialized with 0, and then no need to left is 0. So just to calculate length. Length is len s to reduce CPU cost for left in range, and then length divided 2, because I just iterate only half. And then this one, if the length of array is the odd number, then it will run this is center, and then it will start from the one step before, then the middle. But it's okay because the center value, even center value is did not change it, is okay because that is the same as hello. In this case, even this one is did not change it. That is no issue. So let's calculate the right from the left. So this is length minus 1. This is the maximum index of array, and then minus left. So now I will swap nums s left with s right, and s right with s left, and then I will run the code. There is typo. Okay, looks good. In this case, time complexity is linear time and constant space. Thank you.